Hi! In front of me is REALME C17 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this device. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, in this pop-up to disable location, you need to tap on Close. So when I do that and go back, I can see that location is now disabled. If you want to enable it, click on the same, now white shortcut. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down and click on the Location section. Then tap on this switcher next to it to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!